Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Infiniti G35 ECU. First, understand that an ECU reset can be beneficial for several reasons. It helps clear any stored error codes and allows the engine control unit to relearn optimal operating parameters. This is especially useful after replacing parts like the battery or certain sensors, ensuring your G35 runs smoothly and efficiently. It's a simple process that can often resolve minor performance quirks. The most common and straightforward method involves disconnecting your car's battery. Begin by locating your battery and using a wrench to loosen and remove the negative terminal. Keep it disconnected for at least 10 minutes to ensure all residual power drains from the system. After 10 minutes, securely reattach the negative terminal. Then, turn your ignition to the on position for 2 seconds and then turn it OFF. This initiates the basic reset. For a more comprehensive reset, you'll perform the accelerator pedal release procedure. Start by turning your ignition to the on position for 3 seconds, then turn it OFF. Repeat this on and OFF cycle 4 times consecutively. Immediately after the 4th OFF, press the accelerator pedal all the way down and hold it for 10 seconds. This sequence helps clear the throttle body's learned position and other critical engine parameters, ensuring a fresh start for your G35's performance. After any ECU reset, performing an idle air volume learn is crucial. Start your engine and let it warm up to its normal operating temperature. Ensure all electrical accessories, such as the air conditioning and radio, are turned off. Allow the car to idle for about 10 minutes without touching the accelerator. This process helps the ECU learn the correct idle air volume. For other great deals, and to find those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. Finally, drive your G35 normally for several miles to allow the ECU to fully adapt to your driving style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.